my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm flossing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy El Sherrod 254 back with another one. Got some goodies. As you can tell by the title, man, this one is about important bolt sizes that you may or may not know when you're doing an LS swap. Sometimes you can get it from, you know, some different places online, eBay, etc., but sometimes they don't tell you the actual thread pitches, and then some of these they're just not put out there at all. So that's what this video is, to kind of help y'all try to figure out and bring it to you. So some of the important bolts, I guess, I don't know if you can say it's the top 5 or whatever. We'll see how many we got, and then we'll name the video. Of course, you need head bolts. There's 2 types of head bolts depending upon if you have if you need the long bolts or the short bolts. Early model engines, like the one that's in the Cutlass 99, had the longer bolts, and then I think from like 03, 04 on, use these shorter bolts on the 5.3s and the 6.0s. So you'll need 2 sets of head bolts. If you have the shorter style, this is the part number ES72220. And of course, you need 1 per side. Another one, this one I kind of had to dig for. If you have power steering pump, now I'm not exactly sure on the length of them. I know it's either a 20 or a 25 millimeter, but M10-1.5 is a thread pitch, and these will thread right into here so that you can mount it to your mount for it might be that one. It might be a 20, but it might be a 25. I'm not 100% sure until I actually get the mount that I need to mount the power steering pump on. However, you can maybe I know it's probably, I want to say it's probably like a tight fit, because then your pulley go over that. So you definitely want to get them close. So 20 to 25 millimeter long is what I've come up with as far as the length. But the threads in there, no issues, no problems. Boom, just like that. So one of those 2 would be the ones that we use to mount that to a bracket when the time comes. Now, moving on. So you got your head bolts, which is important. Then you got your power steering pump mount bolts, which are also important. If you have the old ones or one of the old ones, you can always measure them out. Take them to your local O'Reilly's and use a little thread pitch at the bottom, at the back of the store, to find out exactly which one. I just took the pump up there, grabbed a couple sizes, and then tried to see which one. I eyeballed it to be an M10, and then it was more of a coarse thread, not fine. So we went with the 1.5, and it worked beautifully. So I was good to go. Now, another bolt that you may need is you might need some motor mount bolts. If you're using the LSX Innovations adapter plates, which you can get free shipping on your order. If you use the code LSCR free ship at lsxinnovations.com, you can use these to put through your factory clamshells to mount the motor into the vehicle. Part number on those is 81101. Okay. For these here, part number was 981-520D for the 20 millimeter longs, and for the 25 millimeter longs is 980-525 Delta. So part numbers is something that a lot of people be looking for. and it's not always readily available. So we got some other stuff in there. Those not bolts. That's to be in another video probably. So let's see what else we got here. Another important set of bolts is exhaust manifold bolts. These bolts are sold pretty much everywhere. Local O'Reilly's, whatnot. Part number is 03413. 03413. Comes with all the bolts that you'll need to mount your exhaust manifolds or headers into the heads of your LS motor. So definitely a good one to know, good one to have. If you want to buy the bolts individually, just missing one or two, it's a M8-1.25, 30 millimeter in length for those exhaust manifold bolts. So yeah, those are good to have as well. Let's see what else we got here. So say that you got your 4060E and you need to mount the torque converter. Torque converter bolts are here. Part number is 14099. The design you'll see is different. The original bolts come with just a hex, and they can sometimes be held to get out, but these have a socket. They have it to where you can put a socket on the outside of it, just in case the middle of it gets stripped out, and that's definitely good to have. Shout out to my boy Pryor, who helped me get it off. I had a hell with the torque converter bolts when I put them into when I was taking the torque converter off of the motor that we put off into the C10. And when you got to put some more bolts off in there, you don't want to run into the same problem. So these right here, part number 14099, these will definitely help you out with that when you got to put your new bolts in there. 4060E torque converter only, as far as I know. If you have a different application, of course it's gonna be different. 350 transmissions, of course you got a bolt behind it and all that stuff. So, but yeah, if you're doing 4060E, then yeah, that's what you want. Let's see what else we got here. See, these are some more bolts. I forgot exactly what I bought them for though. It'd be like that though. But the thread pitch is M10 by 1.25. Different lengths, 40 millimeters. And then I got some 30 millimeters. I don't remember what the hell I bought these for though. What the hell is an M10 1.25? I forget. Hold on. All right, we back. I'm sorry, y'all. I had a fucking brain fart. So these bolts are for the bell housing bolts. Thread size is M10-1.25, 40 millimeter. Part number is 981537. And those are the ones that mount the bell housing of the transmission to the block. I forgot. Just in case that was too long, and I got a little bit shorter ones. But yeah, so those would be the bolts. Most important bolts. How many we got? We got bell housing bolts, exhaust manifold bolts, torque converter bolts, motor mount bolts, and the power steering pump bolts. So that'd be the top 5 bolt sizes you need to know for LS swap. So if this video was of help to you, then let your boy know. Put it down in the comments, all that good stuff. That way I know if this type of video is helpful for you, and we can go from there, man. So till the next time, it's your boy LS Chevrolet 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone. Got just a little bit of an amendment to make to that video. M10 1.5 is actually the size for the back of for these bell housing bolts. Not the M10 1.25. So I'm gonna have to take them other ones back, order some new ones. So, yep. So yeah, back of the block, bell housing bolts, M10 by 1.5. The length is probably gonna be 40 millimeters, give or take. And you'll be good to go. So, till next time, it's your boy LSHerrod254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone.